Bay windows, Washington, D.C. deliver curb appeal, brighter interiors, and a noticeable home exterior window upgrade for properties across the district. From Capitol Hill window replacement to Georgetown Bay window replacement and Chevy Chase D.C. window replacement, homeowners want custom bay windows that match brick facades, historic details, and modern performance. A well-planned bay window upgrade can include modern bay window designs, 3-panel bay windows, double-pane bay windows, or insulated window units designed for comfort and style. For homeowners searching window replacement near me, Washington, D.C., the right solution often combines bay window installation, residential window replacement, and energy-efficient bay windows that help reduce drafts, improve views, and elevate the look of Washington, D.C. house windows. Residential bay window replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve both beauty and efficiency in Washington, D.C. homes. Whether the project calls for bay window installation, old window replacement, drafty window replacement, or a full-service window replacement, the goal is durable performance and lasting value. In neighborhoods like Dupont Circle, Foggy Bottom, Petworth, and Brookland, property owners often choose replacement window installation that respects original architecture while upgrading comfort. Options such as vinyl bay windows, wood bay windows, and curved window replacement can be tailored to the home. For Washington, D.C. replacement windows, a trusted window contractors Washington, D.C. team can handle residential glazing service, home window replacement D.C., and energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. with precision. Bay windows, Washington, D.C. installation requires careful measurement, structural alignment, and expert finishing to ensure the final result fits seamlessly. From residential window replacement Washington, D.C. to Washington, D.C. window installation, every project benefits from professional planning and quality materials. Many homeowners request bay windows in Washington, D.C. that feature double-pane bay windows for insulation, custom bay window installation D.C. for a unique fit, or window retrofit service for existing openings. If the home needs house window replacement, window frame replacement, or window sash replacement, a complete approach protects the structure and improves efficiency. For Southeast D.C. home windows and Navy Yard residential windows, proper installation supports both style and long-term performance. Energy-efficient bay windows are a smart investment for D.C. residential glazing and D.C. energy-saving bay windows goals. Homeowners seeking energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. often want insulated window units that reduce heat loss, improve indoor comfort, and support lower utility costs. Double-pane bay windows and replacement bay windows can be designed to minimize drafts while enhancing natural light. This makes them ideal for residential glazing service, home improvement windows, and Washington, D.C. home improvement windows projects throughout the city. Whether the property needs window glass replacement, drafty window replacement, or a full bay window upgrade, the right materials and installation methods help maintain year-round efficiency in the Washington, D.C. climate. Custom bay windows bring distinct character to homes from Upper Northwest D.C. bay windows to Capitol Hill, Georgetown, and Dupont Circle. Homeowners often want modern bay window designs that complement historic exteriors while still providing clear sightlines and added interior space. With custom bay windows, options can include 3-panel bay windows, curved window replacement, wood bay windows, or vinyl bay windows depending on the home's style and maintenance needs. For homeowners comparing bay window replacement Washington, D.C. and residential window replacement D.C. services, a custom design can improve curb appeal while preserving architectural integrity. The result is a polished upgrade that fits the neighborhood and the home's original personality. Full-service window replacement is ideal when a home needs more than a single bay unit. Many Washington, D.C. homeowners require house window replacement, window frame replacement, window sash replacement, and window glass replacement as part of a broader residential window replacement plan. This is especially true for older properties in Foggy Bottom, Brookland, Petworth, and Chevy Chase, D.C., where aging materials can lead to drafts, moisture issues, and poor insulation. A complete bay window installation or old window replacement project can restore function and appearance at once. When combined with residential glazing service and Washington, D.C. house windows expertise, the result is a smoother process and a stronger final installation. Washington, D.C. replacement windows should be selected with location-specific needs in mind, especially for homes exposed to city traffic, seasonal storms, and changing temperatures. Bay window installation. Washington, D.C. projects often benefit from durable framing, energy-efficient bay windows, and carefully sealed insulated window units. Homeowners searching for window contractors. Washington, D.C. or window replacement near me. Washington, D.C. want dependable service for residential bay window replacement, bay window installation, and replacement window installation. In areas like Southeast D.C. Home Windows, Navy Yard Residential Windows, and Dupont Circle window installers, local experience matters. The best systems balance appearance, performance, and value while supporting a long-term home exterior window upgrade. Residential window replacement. Washington, D.C. can also improve resale value, interior comfort, and everyday livability. Whether the project is bay window replacement, home window replacement D.C., or Washington, D.C. residential windows service, the right installer should understand both style and structure. Many homeowners choose energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. to complement custom bay window installation D.C., bay window upgrade plans, and D.C. energy-saving bay windows goals. From lower-maintenance vinyl bay windows to traditional wood bay windows, the options are broad. For homes in Georgetown, Capitol Hill, Foggy Bottom, and Upper Northwest D.C., professional bay windows Washington, D.C. service ensures a refined finish and a lasting improvement to the home's exterior and interior light. For bay windows Washington, D.C. projects, custom bay windows, modern bay window designs, and 3-panel bay windows create a bright home exterior window upgrade with strong curb appeal. Homeowners looking for residential bay window replacement in Georgetown, Capitol Hill, Dupont Circle, Foggy Bottom, and Upper Northwest D.C. bay windows often choose energy-efficient bay windows, double-pane bay windows, vinyl bay windows, or wood bay windows to match the property style. A bay window upgrade can also include insulated window units, curved window replacement, and replacement window installation for a polished look that supports comfort, value, and long-term performance. Washington, D.C. window installation services should address drafty window replacement, old window replacement, and full-service window replacement for aging properties throughout Southeast D.C. Home Windows, Navy Yard Residential Windows, Brookland Bay Window Service, and Petworth Replacement Windows. Window contractors Washington, D.C. often provide window frame replacement, window sash replacement, window glass replacement, and residential glazing service to restore function and improve efficiency. Whether the project is Washington, D.C. replacement windows, home window replacement D.C., or residential window replacement Washington, D.C., the right team can deliver Washington, D.C. house windows that fit local architecture and weather conditions. Bay window installation and bay window installation are essential for homeowners seeking Washington, D.C. bay window replacement Washington, D.C., and custom bay window installation D.C. From Chevy Chase D.C. window replacement to Capitol Hill window replacement, Georgetown Bay window replacement, and DuPont Circle window installers, service options should include energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. and D.C. residential glazing for improved insulation and lasting durability. Homeowners searching for window replacement near me. Washington, D.C. want experienced specialists who handle home improvement windows, window retrofit service, and residential window replacement with precision and responsive scheduling. Residential window replacement, house window replacement, and old window replacement are often paired with home exterior window upgrade plans that increase comfort and reduce utility loss. In Washington, D.C., including Foggy Bottom window replacement, Chevy Chase D.C. window replacement, and Petworth replacement windows, homeowners benefit from D.C. energy-saving bay windows, insulated window units, and drafty window replacement solutions that support year-round efficiency. Washington, D.C. home improvement windows can be customized with vinyl bay windows, wood bay windows, double-pane bay windows, and replacement window installation for a seamless finish and enhanced property appeal. Bay Windows Washington, D.C. upgrade options should also cover bay window installation, residential glazing service, and window frame replacement for damaged or deteriorating systems. For bay windows in Washington, D.C., local owners often request Washington, D.C. replacement windows, residential window replacement Washington, D.C., and Washington, D.C. home windows that perform well in historic and modern settings alike. Whether the need is window glass replacement, window sash replacement, or a complete bay window installation, the best results come from skilled window contractors Washington, D.C. who understand bay window replacement, Washington, D.C. window installation, and custom solutions for every neighborhood.